The first mechanical clocks were developed in the 14th century. These early clocks were large and expensive and were mainly found in churches and cathedrals. They were designed to strike the hours and often had intricate mechanisms to show the phases of the moon and the movement of the planets. In the 16th century, the invention of the pendulum greatly improved the accuracy of clocks. Galileo Galilei was one of the first to study the pendulum's motion, and his discoveries were crucial in the development of more precise timekeeping devices. With the introduction of the pendulum, clocks became smaller and more affordable, and started to be used in homes and businesses during the 17th and 18th centuries. Clockmakers continued to refine their designs and create new types of clocks. One notable invention was the pocket watch, which allowed people to carry time with them wherever they went. Another important development was the invention of the spring-driven clock, which eliminated the need for weights and made clocks even more portable. In the 19th century, the Industrial Revolution brought significant changes to clock manufacturing. With the introduction of mass production techniques, clocks became more affordable and accessible to the general population. This led to an increased demand for clocks, and clockmakers began to experiment with different styles and designs. The 19th century also saw the invention of the electric clock, which used an electrical current to regulate its movement and keep accurate time. Today, clocks are not only functional timekeeping devices, but also popular decorative items that come in a wide variety of styles and designs.